Mujo Learning Systems is an independent publisher for marketing curriculum for high school and CTE classes. At Mujo, we take an unbiased approach to our curriculum development. We don't focus simply on Facebook or Google. We like to expose students to as many platforms as possible so they know what's being used in the field today. Students and teachers love our continual curriculum development process. We use subject matter experts to frequently review our titles and make suggestions to our in-house team of writers who update our content to ensure that it's accurate if students were to get a job today. Topics like AI and social media are so rapidly evolving that we do the work so that teachers can focus on simply instructing students. All of our titles have many integrated activities, discussions, and case studies to keep students engaged. We also have hands-on project outlines that get students using real platforms. A teacher favorite is our monthly project bank, where we release new project outlines each month that have to do with current events in marketing, making it really applicable to what students are seeing in their day-to-day lives. We currently have 9 textbooks for high school students. Visit our website to see our full textbook lineup and request your free instructor sample copy today.